Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome to our YouTube channel. Once again, this is Rofi Lacson. And for today's video, pag-uusapan po natin ang Live Good Owners and Management Team. Very essential po ito, lalong-lalo na sa mga beginners na affiliate or mga nagbabalak pa lang sumali or even sa mga gustong sumubok ng Live Good products. At ang kadahilanan po niyan, it drives us into a practical and single reason. At ito yon, everything rises and falls on leadership. Sabi nga nitong world-renowned leadership expert na Sir John. Again, one of the world leadership expert, Dr. John Maxwell, with over 70 books published na nakafocus sa topic ng leadership, mga kaibigan, it points out into a single principle that says everything rises and falls on leadership. Kaya in a certain organization, anumang products or services ang ino-offer nito sa marketplace, napaka-essential na dapat nating malaman kung sino ang mga people behind of that particular company, lalong-lalo na itong kagaya ng Live Good na nag-o-offer ng affiliate program or direct selling with their products and subscription business model as one of their method of product distribution. Kaya in this video, naka-center po ito kung sino ang owners and management team ng Live Good and their backgrounds. Now, kung ikaw ay first-timer na naka-encounter sa Live Good or bagong affiliate or member ng company na to, pag-usapan muna natin saglit what's Live Good is all about. In general, Live Good is a club membership that pays commission, mga kaibigan. And kagaya lang po ito ng Netflix, wherein magbabayad ka ng monthly subscription in order to enjoy the benefit of their services, in which itong mga entertainment like movies, documentaries, and among others. Other companies like Zoom, Amazon Prime, and Costco or dito sa Pilipinas is itong S&R, membership shopping. Kagaya lang ho nito ang Live Good. And ang napakalaking kaibahan lang po niya is ang mga nabanggit kong kumpanya versus Live Good is hindi po sila nagbabayad ng commissions and bonuses dahil wala po silang affiliate program. And that's somehow a kind of very innovative position in the market na a certain company like Live Good is nag-offer ng affiliate program. Now, in terms naman sa product, mga kaibigan, the highest quality Live Good products ay nakafocus po ito sa health supplements. And kung tutuusin po natin, napakalaging negosyo ang health and wellness industry dahil ang negosyo na to ay all about people. And once may tao, may health. At bakit preserve ang health at inaalagaan ang health? Dahil wala pong tao ang gustong mamatay agad. This is somehow a huge topic kung pag-uusapan natin kung bakit napakagandang negosyo ang health and wellness. On the other hand, ang mga ibang health and wellness company ay napakasobrang mahal ng kanilang mga produkto. No question of the quality, of course. Oftentimes, the higher the price of the product, the quality it is. But somehow, Live Good commits in terms of product quality na hindi nako-compromise with its affordability. Bakit? Up to 75%, kung makikita natin dito, ang pwedeng maless compared to mga competing companies in the market. At sobrang nag-trending po ng company na to with its affiliate program. Kaka-start lang nito mag-massive sa market last December 2022. And right now, as of recording, meron na po itong almost 1 million affiliate members and subscribers globally. So ngayon, pag-uusapan na po natin ang main topic of this video presentation, mga kaibigan, the Live Good Owners and Management Team. Una, the Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Ben Glensky. He is the man, mga kaibigan, na pwede nating matutukoy kung sa eroplano, ito po yung captain, pilot. And by background, hindi po ito trial and error sa kanya ang Live Good. Bakit? With over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. Kaya the brief conclusion here, this man, Ben, knows how to help people win. So imagine over 20 years of experience na nagpapatakbo at nagmamay-ari ng mga companies, at hindi lang basta companies in different industries but in nutritional supplement industry na sa ngayon of course is the core business ng Live Good mismo, at ito yung main person behind the vision na tinitignan ng buong Live Good community. Next, we have Mr. Ryan Goodkin, Director of Product Development. So as you can see, meron po siyang doctorate in pharmacy from Palm Beach Atlantic University and a degree in science and nutrition from Florida State University. Our man here, Ryan, has a unique background of being both a natural health practitioner as well as a pharmacist. So ito naman yung man behind sa mga dine-develop at ginagawang produkto ng Live Good, which is the main goal in the next 2 years ay maglabas ng at least 200 product for health and wellness. Now somehow, if you are going to put your trust with this company at nakatingin ka sa products, you are also looking to the man behind of it na nagpo-formulate, nag-i-innovate ng mga Live Good products. And again, by background, talaga namang walang question ito na napaka-related sa company tinatayo po nila. And next, Miss Lisa Goodkin, the Director of Product Education. When it comes to living a healthy lifestyle, Lisa not only teaches people how to maximize their health and wellness, she lives it. Parang sa wala pa dati ang Live Good mga kaibigan, they are already a professional health enthusiast na nag-o-offer ng mga consultation and services about health and wellness. And it says here, from the healthy food she intentionally chooses to cook, eat, and feed her family to the way she designs her fitness routine for herself, her clients, and her family. Napaka-passionate po niya in terms sa pag-i-educate, pagtulong with regards to health and wellness is concerned. And finally, Mr. Noder Kazan, the Director of Network Marketing. This is the man behind na nakafocus sa pag-promote, pagtulong, pag-train ng mga affiliates. And of course, he is one of the key person bakit sobrang phenomenal ang growth ngayon ng Live Good. In terms naman sa kanyang background mga kaibigan, a legend in network marketing industry since 1998, Noder has coached, trained, and helped thousands of people be better, do better, and achieve more than they ever thought they could. So this man is a motivator, a trainer, and a true leader and friend to everyone. So yun po yung 4 na owners and management team ng Live Good, and you can also explore more details about them on the company's official website mga kaibigan. It's a good thing and important na malaman kung sino itong mga pillars ng Live Good as a business organization. Now, kung hindi ka pa affiliate or member ng Live Good at naghahanap ka ng team na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo with your Live Good journey, feel free to get connected sa mga contact details na nasa description nitong video mga kaibigan. So, that's all lang po muna sa ngayon mga kaibigan. I hope na ang video na to ay somehow nakapagbigay sa iyo ng dagdag knowledge, lalong-lalo na kung ikaw ay beginner na affiliate or nagbabalak pa lang na magiging part ng company na to. Once again, this is Rofil Lacson. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you so much for watching. Good luck with your Live Good journey.